So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to connect Spectrum router and modem without Coax Ethernet setup and activation. So how to connect Spectrum router and modem without Coax. If your Spectrum service is cable internet, the modem usually require a Coax cable from the wall. Without Coax, the modem cannot receive the signal unless you are using fiber or Ethernet based service. So connect using Ethernet. Plug an Ethernet cable from the wall Ethernet port or ONT device into the WAN Ethernet port on the modem or router. Connect another Ethernet cable from the modem LAN port to the router's WAN port. So to turn on the modem first and wait until the internet light becomes stable. Turn on the router and wait for the Wi-Fi light to appear. Connect your phone or computer to the router's Wi-Fi and complete activation. Ethernet carries the internet signal directly, so Coax is not required if the internet is already delivered through Ethernet or fiber. Second one is connect using fiber ONT. Locate the fiber optical network terminal installed in your home. Connect an Ethernet cable from the ONT LAN port to the router WAN port. Plug in the router's power adapter and turn it on. Wait for the internet or WAN light to turn solid. Connect device to Wi-Fi using the network name and password on the router label. The ONT convert fiber signal into Ethernet, so the router receives internet without needing Coax. Thank you.